Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Just left the campground, heading up to the farmhouse. I might come up later on to B&B to the picnic wagon again and get some lunch. Looks like they're out there cooking already. It's only 9:25 in the morning. Looks like all the new tar is laid. Ooh, we have fiber optic here, huh? I got all the fields mowed. This one hadn't been mowed for probably a month. It was pretty long, especially on the backside. And then I mowed in this middle section here because it was too long for the riding lawnmower. Lots of this grass seed is starting to pop up, so I just ran the sprinkler on this for about a half hour. Melissa ran it for a while yesterday. I think I'll take the mower and get inside of all these trees. We've tried to mow very little, the last couple of weeks because it's just been so dry, but this is getting out of hand. Like Joni's been here. Down to the bottom and twist and pull. How was it? It's not bad. Okay, everyone. It's just about 10:30. Definitely time for bed. Good morning, everybody. Corey should be here within the next probably 20 minutes. And I'm just marking out what I want dug here for this sewer dump for an RV. I did a little digging in here, and that pipe down there is going at an angle. So I'm going to have to break that loose, and I want the same angle but going the other direction, so that I can kind of get this going this way. I made a list of stuff I have to pick up at L&M this morning, so as soon as Corey gets here and starts digging, I'm going to run in, and hopefully they'll have most of this stuff. One question I have though that I'm not sure of is the 4-inch pipe that comes in. Is it the same real thin 4-inch, or is it the thicker? So I'm going to dig this back a little bit and drill a hole. I would think it would be the thicker stuff, but I have absolutely no clue. I'm worried now that my line that I have painted, the front of the tank is here, might run into the front of the tank. Might change that just a little bit. It's definitely the thicker pipe. While Corey's back there, he's starting to dig that trench. We set up the laser to make sure that I can get enough drop, because I need at least a 1/4 inch per foot, and I'm going out almost 20 feet, so then we can do it. There'll only be about 5 inches of dirt over the end of it, but that'll be good. So now I'm just running up to get the stuff from L&M. Well, there was a few things I wanted to get that they did not have. The bins were bare, but I think I got everything I need for that sewer line. Now we got the line all run here, just about to cement where it goes into the tank, and then backfill. Okay everyone, a little bit of rain coming down. It's almost 11 o'clock and it's time for bed. Good morning everybody. Had a little rain overnight here. It's still sprinkling a little bit. 71 degrees. Sounds like it'll be sunny this afternoon and 78. I'm running up to the store this morning. I have to do Melissa bought a cat carrier thing at Walmart. I have to do a curbside pickup for that because she has a couple cats that are going in this week to get fixed, and she needed one more carrier. And then I'm going to stop at Super One, and we're going to do our usual breakfast for lunch, but she's also going to cook up a bunch of pork chops, so we have them to eat this week. All the cat carrier is picked up. Now let's go get some groceries. Melissa is gonna start cooking up all those pork chops. It takes quite a while to get that many cooked up, so I thought I would come out here, and I want to start doing this, get this wall going, because everything is such a mess in here, and until I get this wall built, everything has to stay a mess, because this is gonna have a lot of the stuff on it. you can hear the military planes flying, even though we're probably 35 minutes away. They're having the air show in Duluth where the military planes fly, and Zach went yesterday. He said it was really cool. I want to reuse some of the same studs that were in this wall, but the other wall they had was almost 4 inches off the ground. So I have to put 3 top plates in here using shorter stuff so I can fit those same studs back in here. I got that part of the wall built now. I think I'll run in and see how Melissa's doing with lunch.
Hey.
Yes. Time to head in for lunch. I'm going to cut this off even with there, same with this one here, and I'll run a shelf underneath there that sticks out a couple more inches. And this distance right here is the same as this distance right here, and then this can be all shelving. I've been inside with Melissa for, I suppose, an hour, hour and a half. Did a few things inside. And now it's probably 20 after 6. I thought, well, I'm going to run back out to the workshop for a little bit and play around a little bit more with those shelves. Well, that's good enough for today. I'm going to run in and spend some time with Melissa. We started watching that Kong versus Godzilla. I don't know if I talked about that last night or not, but so far, I mean, I think we're getting close to the end. Probably one of the worst movies I have ever seen. I mean, we just don't even know what's going on. It's just weird. Anyway, yeah, I need shelves here that are 16 inches wide. I could go up to 16 and a half if I want to do 3 1x6s. But if I can get plywood, it can be 16 and it's 8 foot long. I figure underneath on the bottom, a person can put, you know, bigger stuff like shop vac, anything like that, bins, the plastic bins. And then the second shelf will hold stuff like some of the taller machinery. Like now I have 3 belt sanders. Well, I'm only going to want 2 of them out, one with a coarse grit and one with a finer grit. I've got 2 spindle sanders. I just need one to be out so the other ones can stick over here. And the smaller shelves will hold skill saw, sanders, everything. These little shelves over here that I took from the hobby farm downstairs, my little kitchenette that was down there. This I'm going to put small stuff on. Like my dad has all this small stuff that he uses on some of his projects. And I just threw it all into buckets. And I'm just going to put them on these shelves. In fact, these brackets here are brackets that I took off of a job that we were doing, just refurbished. They've been sitting in the hobby farm workshop for years, not used. And I was just going to throw them out. And at the last minute, I thought, you know what? I might need those for something someday. And sure enough, here they are. I told Melissa I'd be in there by 7 o'clock. Looks like I'm a little late. Well, we just got done watching that movie. So the whole movie sucks, and then the last 15 minutes are super good. So when I get down to the camper this week, I'm going to watch it again to see if the beginning part makes any more sense. But that's my review for right now. Last 15 minutes is awesome. Okay, everyone. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Beautiful night tonight. A little bit of a chill in the air. And the fog is kind of laying into the pasture. I will see you guys on the next video.